Subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates.
With that, the 2023 season comes to an end. Good night.
Here's how to create a 2023 recap video. Step 1. Screen record the trending video.
With that,
Screen
the
record a video for
2023
audio
season
extraction
comes to
on
an end.
InShot.
Good night.
Step 2. Extract audio and create your recap video. Download InShot on the App Store or Google Play Store. Import your video and pictures into InShot. Now tap Music. Extract audio from video and import the screen recording from earlier. And you'll have your audio extracted.
With that, the 2023 season comes to an end. Good night.
Now adjust your video duration. Tap Canvas, Zoom, and Full so your photo fits the screen. Then press the double ticks to apply to all. Tap Duration, adjust the duration of your photos, and press the double ticks to apply to all. Check that your video syncs with your audio. Now tap Sticker, GIF, and search for the number stickers. Adjust the position and duration of the stickers. Repeat this process until you get 2023.
With that, the 2023 season comes to an end.
Tap Text, type Recap, and you'll have a trendy recap video to ring up
With
the year.
that, the 2023 season comes to an end. Good night.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.